You know, I have that same feeling, too. Celebration is in the air.
I can feel it, too! You may see only skies of gray, but there's a bright side, too.
Oh, wow.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Meat, cookies